Manakaka gwenge mamoko penj mar klas 12 chakore ayanga kawuono Kisumu. Jatelo mochung'ne somo e sub county ma Kisumu Central Charles Angela wacho ni jogo marito penj oseyudo tiegruok moromo kendo ogeno ni penj no dhi timre e yo maber. Jopuonjre maromo 3,547 ogen ni dhi timo penj makamano Kisumu ka 1,855 gin yawuowi to 1,692 gin manyiri e sikunde 19 ka 13 mag sirikal to 6 mag ji giwegi. Arita bende oseketi moromo ka obila 2 dirito penj e kuonde timo penj. Migawo mar somo bende okone gi keto nyong'ong' mar rango tim moro amora manyalo rocho penj no.
The preparation for this exam is in place. We've arranged and provided adequate transport. At your back, we've got enough security, 2 for every school, not for every school, but for every center. Now they are called examination centers. And the buses and the vans are here, and we are set to go. I want to say that the vigilators, supervisors, center managers were well briefed, and the exam is not beginning today. We began with the practicals the other time, and we've not faced any problem whatsoever. So I want to say that we are ready to go. There isn't anything to worry about.
All systems are in place. Security-wise, as he has mentioned, we don't have any doubt, and we believe our center managers are all ready. And as we started exams about 1 week ago, this is just all the centers will be involved today.